I hope all of you are doing fine and are safe at your homes. Today we are going to learn about a new platform called as Canva. So in your Google search engine, type canva.com. You need to log in for the same. So here we are going to learn how to make a video using the Canva platform. You can explore the site. It has these beautiful templates for various social media, for instance Facebook, Instagram, and so on. On this platform, we can actually create numerous documents and designs. For instance, we can create a certificate, a brochure, or a video. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a video. To start with, click on Create Design and go to Video. This is how the platform will look. This is our workplace, also called as a page. So we have a variety of options that we can choose from to edit our video or to make the video. Let's explore together. So here you can see different templates. I'd like to tell you that some of these are free while the others are paid. So I recommend click on the free templates. So to start with, let's select this template and explore. So this is how your video will look. This is a demo. Now, I'll take you through all the options. So templates, photos. Now these are the photos that are provided by the platform itself. You can see various photos over here. Anything you're looking for, just type over here. So for instance, I'm looking for a tree. So you will receive various images of trees. You can also look for elements. Now these are elements or stickers that you can add. You can add headings using different fonts. All the fonts are very beautiful and it's going to be quite a nice journey for us to create a video together. You can add background music. You can search for videos. For example, you can add a background video. There are numerous videos we can search for. We can also use a background template to put. Let's try adding something. Nice, this looks great. Or something floral. And over here, we have another option which says Uploads. Now these are the pictures which you can upload from your computer or device. We have various folders that we can create. And there are other options where you can see some app integrations. So now, let's start with our project. Now to start with, I am going to start by choosing a template. I think the template that I have chosen already looks pretty good. So let's stick with this. Today I am going to take a topic which is very essential for all of us, for every single citizen of India and abroad, that is the COVID-19 or Corona pandemic. So let us start with the project. I am going to upload an image that I have already stored in my device. So here's my document which says new project by Canva. So I am going to choose a background. To save time, I'm going to upload all my images which I've already prepared and kept over here, so that we can upload them together without wasting any time. We can select multiple pictures and upload them together to save some time. So I just wait for the process to complete. Yes. So now I'm going to create my cover photo, and we can start with the creation. So just drag the photo and keep it over here. The frog doesn't quite suit my project, so I am soon going to change the background that I chose earlier. I am going to drag it and paste it over here. I already have saved the information that I'm going to add in a Word file to save the time. So I'm going to quickly copy and paste it. Let's go to the text option. I want to add a heading right now, so I'm going to click over here and add a text box. Okay, and let's paste this. I will place it properly in the location I desire. I do want to change the font. Let's look for some fonts. You'll have to change the size of both the subheading as well as the heading, so be aware of that. Alright, so you can explore it for yourself. I am going to move on with my next slide. Click on Add a new page. You can see we already have the background in front of us. So now I'm going to add the text quickly. I'm going to add a heading first. We'll go back to my slide and copy paste quickly. I'll change the color to white to suit the slideshow and quickly locate it to an appropriate place. Fine. So we can see here you can select different fonts. I think I'm going to settle for this. It looks well enough to go with, and the color is fine. You can even select on the bold, but it is already bold, or italics if you want, and underline it, and so on. I'll add an image to go with it. So I think this is good to go. Add a new page. Now I'll add a text. Go on text and add a text. So I am going to add a subheading. It's not going to be a huge thing, just add a subheading. So let us start with our first step. So I have my first slide text ready. I'm going to copy and paste quickly. I want to bold the Y, which is important for us. And now I am not very happy with the color. I think white will go well with this. I'm going to select all and try putting a white color to the font. Let's check. To this I wish to add a picture. So it says clean your hand and wash your hand. So I have appropriate pictures ready. I am going to quickly resize. And place it on two corners. Whatever you wish to highlight, you can just bold it. So I want to highlight the statement which says clean your hands. Click on bold, you're good to go. Now we'll go and add a new page. Yes, so again I'm going to select all and change the color of the font, which doesn't look great to me, so I'm going to change it. So it says social distancing, that is 1 meter 3 feet distance. So I have an appropriate picture ready. I'm just going to add it. Just resize it properly and place it. We'll do 2 more slides and that will be it. So we'll click another, we'll add a new page now. And like we know, we're going to add a text, we're going to add a picture, we're going to edit it. So let's do this quickly. Yes. Again, Control A, we're going to change the color, we're going to make it white, and then we're going to highlight on some important things. Just remember that you can always change the font, you can change the size, and you can change the color. Adjust the text accordingly. Since we're learning how to make a video for educational purposes, this is why I'm emphasizing on the fact that you can change the color of the text, the size of the text. So again, I'm going to change the color quickly and emphasize eyes, nose and mouth. Let's bold it. Let's bold our question why, and let's add a picture which says eyes, nose and mouth. So have an appropriate picture ready. I'm going to decrease the size of the picture. I'm going to place it in center. I think we're good to go. We'll add a last slide to complete our presentation or our video. I'll skip to the last because it will be a very long video otherwise. So let's make the last page. I'm going to skip it a little bit. Just be a little patient. We'll be done with this soon. Yes, I have to have a last picture to upload. So we are done with our pages now. I want to add a few. Yeah, look at the presentation, looks great. This is the last page. Okay. It is fine. A page has been interchanged over here. Yes, it is fine. So I'm going to look for some clip arts. Oh, what a surprise! We already have a few stickers or elements for coronavirus. So let's go through them and we can add them. I've added this element. Let's move on to the second page. Going to add an element everywhere. This is the transparency. You can decrease the transparency according to your needs or increase it. I've increased it to 100. Let's leave it like that. Breathing. Oh, music. We'll have to use something that tells us about the gravity of the situation, something that isn't too loud, something that allows you to read the content. So something instrumental will do. Let's try. Play. I'm going to decrease the size accordingly. So I have just made that photo into a background so that I have some space to use. This is our hand washing video. I think we'll use it elsewhere. I can also make this the background. Just right click and click on replace background, so you can make it into a background. But I think the previous one was pretty good, so I have just pressed on Ctrl Z. This looks fine. I wish to add the video somewhere. I cannot find the place to place it. So I think we will do without a video for this one. Background I have already chosen. You can experiment with different backgrounds if you want. We can go for something black, something darker, something lighter, whatever you wish for. You can go for something like this. It will change the end. Let me see if it is getting applied to all the other slides. I'm not sure. No, it just remains for the first one. So you can customize it to different slides. I'll go back to my previous one. Not sure this is the same. Indigo gradient. There are some effects that we can add. There is no end to customization with this app. You have so much that I cannot comprise it in one video. There is so much you can do. You can flip it, you can, grade, you have transparency which you can grade according to your needs. There is so much to it. One video cannot suffice. So I think I'll have to go and edit the background to every slide. So I'll just quickly click on the indigo one. Is this the same one? Yes, indigo gradient background. Let's decrease the transparency quickly. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comment section. I think this was fine earlier. So I'm going to detach the image from background. I'm going to resize it and paste it where it was earlier. I'm going to add the background color. Decrease the transparency. Oh, I'm sorry. And place it in center again. Resize it appropriately and add our element over here. So I think we are done with today's tutorial. Let's go through some last bits of it. So we can create a folder, but it's only for the paid version. There are just some styles and some charts which you can explore for yourself, and some templates that you've seen already. Let us see how it's come together. I'll have to see if I can increase the time that every slide stays for on the screen. Let's explore and find out if we can do that. You can add notes to every page, like I just can see that this is the introduction, or whatever suits you. So I have a note for this one. This is to copy the page. This is to add a new page. So this is the video we have created in the end. You can see there are 7 slides that I have created. There's a music that I have given. And here you can see you can share it. Share designs with others to view and edit. Oh, so there's an option to edit also. This is nice. Share a link to edit. So you can copy the link and you can share the link with other people. So here you can actually choose to give the authority, like to share a link just to view, to let them edit, or to use as template. But this is for the pro users. So we just have 2 options. One is to share a link to edit. So if I share it with my friend, she or he can make some editing or some changes to the video, or I can just share it with my other students to just view and not make any changes. So I'll just click, yeah, and here is the time, and here you can place or you can play it, you can close it, here you can download it, you can share it to your Facebook page, Facebook group directly, you can share a link, present it, or you can share it with Twitter. There are many more options that you have. Share it to your Google Drive and so on. There's a lot you can do with it. You can directly share it with your Microsoft PowerPoint and embed it and so on. So let us directly download it. So video type will be video MP4. I'll select all the pages. Done. Download. So I want to thank each one of you, number one, for believing in us, for joining this course, for giving us your time. Let me save this to my file which says my new project Canva. I'm gonna save it over here. So let us view the video, but before that I'd like to thank all of you for giving us your time and for choosing to learn something and doing something productive in this period of lockdown and quarantine. So to end the video, I am going to just show you the end product of our video of all our hard work that we put in. So let's click and view the video. So if someone wants to read, they can just pause the video and read it. It depends on their convenience. Or you can just decrease the text. We can make it shorter. So once again, thank you. Stay safe and have a nice day.